The heavy storms and rainwater we experience each year in the Hudson Valley region can really take a toll on your home. This happens over time when water and moisture leak through your roof and seeps into your basement or into the foundation of your property. Fortunately, this kind of damage can easily be prevented with high-quality seamless gutters. Seamless gutters not only look better on your home, they also offer improved function with minimal maintenance. At Gonzales Roofing, we can easily replace your existing system, or we can install new gutters when you are having a roof replacement. What makes getting gutters from Gonzales so important? We install these systems the same way we install new roofs, with the utmost care and with strict attention to detail to ensure a job done right. Our expert services include new installations, gutter repairs, complete replacements, gutter covers and leaf guards. With Gonzales, you can always count on us for exceptional customer service, truly professional installation, affordable pricing, and guaranteed price estimates. And what's more, we will install your gutters on your schedule. Check out our Better Business Bureau rating and our many 5-star reviews on Google and Facebook. Leave it to the Gonzales professionals to ensure your home's longevity. Please contact us today for the best in rain gutter installation service and gutter protection services. Call us on 845-381-0384 or complete the free estimate form on our website at gonzalesroofing.com.